There's a lot of people around here. All right. Hey guys, so wanted to try something a little different. I originally wanted to start a thing called shutter and skate, but I'm having a real problem with this camera. I just recently bought this Qoocam 3, and some of the reviews really gave it a lot of people gave it good reviews, but no one really mentioned about being like overheating, except for maybe one reviewer. Can't remember who it was, but I tried shooting a couple episodes and it ruined a lot of my shots just because it stopped and I didn't even know it stopped. Like when I look at the camera, ooh, this is rough. It actually still shows that it looks like it's recording. And then when I actually look in, I get a closer look, can't really see because it's super bright, but when you get a closer look, it's when you get a closer look, it's actually frozen. Ooh, rough. So I think I'm going to return it, and then I want to try something. The original camera that I wanted was a GoPro Max. I like the boxier form factor because I want to be able to just lay it on the table. So I think I'm gonna get that. Ooh. Oh God, this is actually quite a workout. I haven't skated in years, and then I decided I just wanted to try it because I tore my meniscus, but I still wanted to be a little more active outside, so I figured I'd try skating again. Whew. But it actually feels like feels harder than on my heart than running or jogging, which is cool. But anyway, yeah, so just want to try this camera one more time. I hope this one actually shot, so there's that. If it is, I'll upload it. If not, well, I'll wait till the GoPro. All right, I'm just gonna skate a little bit.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy, you're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Pack up your bags and run. Once you see the truth, you'll be over it. Run! just gotta run.
Oh, forgot one more thing. Super Mario Wonder is out. Just got the game. Wearing this sweatshirt to represent Mario fandom. Oh God, okay. A little less talking. It looks like I'm skating fast, but I'm actually going really slow.